This project is not a conclusion, but it's a synthesis of other tools, other projects we made, and it's a way to put different forces in the same direction. Vulkan Explorer have visited more than 300 communities on the road. The thing is, we figure out when we were in contact with every girls, guys in the space that they are doing interesting stuff. Something that could be interest other Fab Lab, other Makerspace, other Biolab that are doing similar things or only space who want inspiration. So Vulkan Explorer have the information because they were on the road, but the rest of the community didn't have. So it was a main reflection, how we can share what we have seen on the road to the rest of the community. So it's why we came to the conclusion that we needed to find a way to continue to organize seminars, to continue to organize tours, and also to make a project with a documentation that will go with it. So what is Vulkan Experimenta? Vulkan Experimenta is based on three main tools, three main parts. The first part is a study case. We will develop a local makerspace. You will know why we will develop makerspace. So we'll develop makerspace, and in the process of development of this makerspace, we'll have the possibility to start to understand some problematic, because when you want to start to develop a makerspace, you always have problematics, difficulty to answer. So at this moment, we will, with the Vulkan tour, be able to find other people who were confronted to the same problematics and some answer. Some answer will work in our case, in our study case, but sometimes it will not work. But it's not an issue. The main principle will be to apply this other answer, this other experience to our makerspace. Also, at the same time, the Vulkan seminar is the opportunity for the community to be there, to discuss together about different topics. If each year we have discussed about a lot of different topics, this year, the next seminar, we will have a dedicated topic about Vulkan Experimenta. During this moment, it will be the opportunity to confront our personal experience as Vulkan in our project, but also to confront it to other experience and to the feedback to start a discussion. At the end, the objective of Vulkan Experimenta is to understand the way residency model, so how a makerspace can live with mobility residency model. And this documentation we will have, because we will be in contact with the other space, will be open source. Also, the thing that will be documented is the question of replicability of the project. Every time in the Fab Lab, in the Maker Movement, we discuss about, okay, something work here, it will maybe work in other space. So we also want to document this to see if we are able to replicate other project, other solution in another space. So it's a kind of open source documentation, but also to participate to a documentation to better understand the maker movement and the residency model. Our first topic, we wanted to work in rural area. Why rural area? Because they are challenging space, and also because in the maker movement, they are not the space that are always represented. We don't have a lot of study research about them, but they are part of the ecosystem of the maker movement, of the Fab Lab movement, of all this movement. So it seems interesting to us to work on this. Also, we have the opportunity to work on this specific rural area. So at the end, rural area, it's opportunity to work on a challenging space and to contribute to some documentation, to research, to analyze for the community, for space that are not always studied. Also, who can participate, who can join this kind of project? In fact, every people that could be interesting on the topic. This topic of makers residency in rural area. It could be researcher, makers, policy maker, makerspace, Fab Lab. Every people that could be interesting of the impact of international makers on rural area could come and join the project at every moment. So about the two opportunity we have, in fact, it's the first one is in Monza, with also Casablanca that will be presented. So these two makerspace that come from nothing, they are literally growing from the ground, will give us the opportunity to study, to analyze from scratch the evolution of a makerspace, links to other documentation, and to see how we can take inspiration from other experience to construct our own experience.